Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I'm happy to see you here. I'm happy to be here always. It's my happy place. I was laying in bed the other night. My friend Britta Clayton from Britta Clayton Design sent me a picture of a piece of her art that she had just done, and she's very excited about it. And I'm like, oh, Britta, that is absolutely stunning. What technique did you use? And I was kind of guessing. And she said she did Molly from Molly's Artistry's new technique, and I believe it's called a dream cloud. So I immediately ran over and watched a couple of Darling Molly's videos to learn about this dream cloud, because new techniques, new ways of doing things are always such a joy to me, most artists, and I'm sure to you. And Molly's such a sweetheart. I was fortunate to meet her and spend a little bit of time with her a few months back. So I'm doing Molly's dream cloud, or cloud dream cloud, I think it is. Now, Molly mixed her paints with 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol, and 1 part water. And she said it was a consistency that wasn't as thin as the pearl pour paintings. Well, that's a broad range of how thin or thick your paints can be. So she said it leaves just a little bit of a mound when the paint rolls off the stick into the paint below. So I'm kind of guessing, because I've got different paints here. I've got some fluid paints, some medium body paints. I've got a couple of Amsterdam paints, which are as thick as molasses. So I had to just play with this, and that's how we learn, by doing. And I'm going to give Molly's dream cloud pour a try. Another thing is she uses palette knives. This girl sucks at palette knives, but what a better way to practice. Now, the key to this is to swipe the colors over your cloud mix, not the opposite, not the cloud mix over your colors. So we are going to be swiping our colors over our cloud mix. What is our cloud mix? Our cloud mix is 1 part of Artist Loft Soft Body Acrylics in the white, and I'm happy to be using this because I have a lot of it, and I gave up on this paint for my swipes because it just eats up all of my colors. So 1 part of the Artist Loft Soft Body Acrylics to a 1/2 part of the DecoArt Satin Enamel, Floetrol, and water. Now, how much water, how much Floetrol, she didn't say, but I am guessing it's close to the same consistency as my other paints. If anything, maybe a little bit thinner. But like I said, we're experimenting, we're playing, we're trying this, this beautiful dream cloud pour for the first time. This right here is also a yummy color. That right there is Creative Inspirations, my new go-to color, go-to paint, and that is their Payne's Gray. We have right here DecoArt Metallics in the 24 karat gold. Let's take a look at my consistency. You can probably see it better here with the gold. It leaves a mound before it starts to just dissipate into the paint below. And I'm hoping that is the right consistency, because consistency is everything. Yummy color right here, DecoArt Dazzling Metallics and the Peacock Pearl, one of the first paints I ever bought when I started my painting journey. And then I added a couple of squeezes because I love this combination of the golden fluids in the turquoise. This yumminess right here took quite a bit of water. That is Amsterdam Standard Series, and that is their Burnt Sienna. These Amsterdam paints are magnificent, but they are thick. At least they're thick to this girl who generally uses a lot of fluid paints. This is a yummy color combination right there. That is Amsterdam Standard Series in their bronze, a beautiful, beautiful color. And I added a few squirts of the golden fluids in the iridescent copper. So we're going to put our puddles or streams of color down. We're going to keep our colors separate, and then we are going to swipe our colors over the puddles of the cloud pour mix that darling Molly has come up with. So wish me luck, guys. We're playing, we're experimenting. If it doesn't work, I will try it again, because that's the way this girl rolls. Thanks for being here, guys. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all, because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on in your heart? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Yeah. Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all, because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, 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 we come alive. We come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see
That was fun. And this is kind of a cool painting. I love this blue and the negative space. And when I swiped through here in some of these parts, you could see the wonderful lacing and it brought up some of the colors down below. But that's a pretty little abstract painting, I think. I can't wait for it to dry. There are a few things that I don't like, but I can touch them up once it dries. There's a few little white specks in here from the satin enamel, and that bothers me, but I can easily go in with a paintbrush and dab them out of there. And these kind of sporadic white cells, I love these. And these are cool, and you can see I did some woman-made cells here and there just for fun. I was having fun with this painting, but that was lovely. What I'm going to do is I'm going to thin my paints down because I think they were a bit too thick for Molly's technique, the Dream Cloud, and I'm going to give this another go, and I'm going to practice my palette knife, and practicing is fun because nothing feels better when you finally get it, right, guys? Thanks for being here as always. I'm wishing you a wonderful evening or a day to come. See y'all soon. Bye now.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.